Hello everyone. In the previous video we saw how can we reset the root password. Now in this lecture we are going to see how can we change the root password if there is some kind of necessity. In doing so we have generally two ways, and I'll show you both the ways. One is the harder way and the other is comparatively the easier way. Easier in the sense that it has less commands involved. So let's begin. First of all, I'll show you the harder way. Okay, so let's go into the MariaDB prompt using the command MySQL-u, u for user is root, and password. For password we use -v. Okay, the current password that I have set for the root is friend@123. Let's verify if I'm speaking the truth or not. Right now I'm going to change friend@123 to something else, like for example hello@123. Okay, so first of all we have to use MySQL. MySQL is basically the name of the database. To see what are the available database currently here in the MariaDB, we can see by issuing this command, and we have MySQL database. Let's use it, and after going into the MySQL database, what we have to do is we have to do update user set authentication underscore string and equals to password, and now we have to hit the new password, which is hello@123, and I'm closing the quote and the bracket for user equals to put. Do not forget to put the quote in user. I hope this should work. Let's see. Yes, it worked. Now I'm getting out of the MySQL prompt. Will this work? Maybe it won't. Let's see why it won't work. Friend@123 is the older password, right? If I hit the new password, which is hello@123, will it work? I think it won't, because we have to issue one more command, and that's flush privileges. Okay, let's go inside the MariaDB prompt using the old password, which is friend@123, and now we have to issue the command flush privileges. Now let's get out and use the older command first. This won't work because now the password is hello@123. Yes, this is the harder way in comparison. Now I'll show you the easier way, comparatively the easier way. Okay, for that we have to issue MySQL admin command. MySQL admin -u user equals to root -p. After p we have to hit the older password, which is hello@123. This is the older password, right? And now we have to hit the new password, which is ctct. Okay, let's see if it works. It didn't throw any errors, so I'm assuming that it works. Let's see. MySQL -u -root -p ctct. Let's see if it works or not. Boom, it worked. Okay, so here we can just issue few words as commands, but here so in comparison with this command, this is easier, isn't so? Because you just have to remember just few things only: MySQL admin and this password. Okay, but here you have to remember update user set authentication string. It seems heavy, so for me this is easier. So this is it for this lecture.